absolute value, here's what it means. Anything that's inside here, whatever is inside here, let's just call it a star, it's just going to be the positive version of whatever that is. Okay, so if it's negative star, it becomes positive star. If it's positive star, it stays positive star. Okay, whatever number is inside just becomes positive. So if I have the absolute value of -7, it becomes +7. In this case, look, it also acts as parentheses. So like this is parentheses, like you could almost picture it like this. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the same as absolute value of 8. 8 is already positive, so this would just stay positive. Okay, you got to be a little careful when there's a negative sign outside of the absolute value because, for example, look, this part is 5, right? But this negative sign is outside of the absolute value sign. So the absolute value can't make that positive. So that negative actually just gets kind of tacked on, and so this actually becomes -5. Same deal here. This is positive, it stays positive, right? This is the absolute value of 10, is just the number 10, but this negative sign is outside of the absolute value sign, and it would just kind of get tacked on at the end there. Okay, whereas here, this negative sign is on the inside of the absolute value, so this absolute value makes everything inside positive, so it just makes this 11 positive. Okay, here sometimes there's stuff inside the absolute value sign. In this case, 2 minus 9 is -7, so we have the absolute value of -7, that becomes +7.